Welcome to today's review. If you're searching for a powerful gaming machine that delivers next-level performance, look no further than the HP Omen 25L gaming desktop with Intel Core i7-14700F, 32gb ddr5 memory, and NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti, 2TB SSD. This desktop is built for gamers, creators, and professionals who want speed, reliability, and future-proof technology all in one. Let's be honest, gaming and content creation today demand more than just average specs. Lag, slow load times, and outdated hardware can ruin your experience. That's why this HP Omen 25L stands out. It's designed to crush performance barriers, giving you both raw power and sleek design. Under the hood, you're getting the 14th generation Intel Core i7-14700F with 20 cores and turbo boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz. That means faster multitasking, smoother gameplay, and unbeatable responsiveness. For memory, it's equipped with 32GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz, perfect for gaming, editing, and streaming without slowdowns. Storage won't ever be a problem thanks to the massive 2TB PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive. That's lightning-fast boot times, instant game loading, and more than enough space for your entire library. And of course, the heart of gaming, graphics. With the NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti with 8GB of GDDR6, you're getting ray tracing, DLSS 3 support, and the power to game at ultra settings while supporting up to 4 monitors for the ultimate immersive setup. The HP Omen 25L also includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable, fast connections. Ports, you're covered. USB Type-C 10 gigabits per second, USB Type-C 5 gigabits per second, multiple USB-A and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort for modern displays, full 5.1 surround sound support. This means whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, you're fully future-ready. Inside the box, you'll get the HP Omen 25L gaming desktop, a white wired keyboard and mouse combo, power adapter, and quick setup guide. Plus, you're backed by a 2-year warranty from Techno Intelligence with free tech support, giving you peace of mind on your investment. Now, here's why this desktop is a smart choice. You're not just buying a PC, you're securing future-proof performance, faster workflows, and a machine that can grow with your needs. Think of it as an investment in smoother gameplay, higher productivity, and stress-free multitasking. And with limited stock always being a reality in high-demand gaming desktops, waiting could mean paying more later or missing out entirely. So, if you're ready to take your gaming and creative performance to the next level, check out the link in the description and grab your HP Omen 25L gaming desktop, Intel Core i7-14700F, 32GB DDR5 memory, NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060 Ti, 2TB SSD today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow gamers, and subscribe for more professional reviews and performance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.